Hey everyone, this week I am going in my work bag. I've gotten so many requests on what's in my work bag. So I decided to show you. I don't know if it's all that exciting, but I'm going to show you. This bag, first of all, I have to mention it because it's irreplaceable. And I have looked and looked and looked for different types, but this bag from Ballard Design, I got it a while ago. So I don't even know if you can get it anymore, but I love it so much because it has so many different compartments in it. So I'm going to start inside. The first thing is my notebook. I'm always writing notes when I'm at clients' houses. So I like to keep a notebook and keep track of what they need, what they purchase. So that's the first thing. We all know my love of Post-it notes. I use Post-it notes for everything when clients are moving, just to keep notes. So these I have in different sizes. I use them all the time. All my permanent markers, these are great when people are moving, so I use those all the time. My microfiber cloths, I'm constantly using these, whether it's to wipe down something or make something just look pretty when we're done. Of course, my sanitizing wipes. And this is all my adhesive items for removing stickers off things. So I have a bunch of different ones and my favorite little thumbnail ones that I use to scratch them off. Of course, my Brother Cube P-Touch, which I absolutely love this. And all my labels I keep in a carrying case with a lid because I have so many. These are a new thing that I am obsessed with. These are from Amazon and they're glue dots that you peel off and then mold into like a little ball and stick them on the bottom of items so they don't move around in the drawer. As you can tell, I have tons of them. Those I absolutely love. And of course, my side pockets are for different type of garbage bags. And I just constantly, every time when I come home from a job, I just replenish those. Then I have a charger for my phone. Got to have that in there. And of course, a tape measure. I have my tape measure in one of the side pockets. And then, of course, scissors. I'm always using scissors to either cut boxes, cut labels, to do whatever. And really, that's about it. I'm very basic, but I do carry this with me everywhere I go when it comes to a client. So those are what is in an organizer's work bag.